Hi mga Nakshi! For today's video, we're gonna be doing a day in the life with my friends! So, tara!
Limit law number 1. Where are your limit? The limit of C as x approaches A is equal to C, where our C is constant. Example 1. Let's say we have the limit of 3 as x approaches to 4. So, our constant is 3, so our answer will be 3. Even if our A is different, constant is constant. 2. The limit of negative 6 as x approaches 0 is equal to, even our A is 0, constant will be constant, so negative 6. Example 3. The limit of 4 as x approaches negative 2 is equal to, constant is constant, so it's 4. Even our A is negative.
And for the second law, we will talk about limit of identity function. The limit of a function at a point A in its domain, if it exists, is the domain value that the function approaches its argument approaches. The concept of a limit is the fundamental concept of calculus and analysis. It is used to define the derivative and infinite integral, and can also be used the analysis. Example of identity function is limit of x as approaches 6. Okay? And ang final answer ay constant as approaches as x, like the example, the limit of x approaches 6. So the answer is 6 because it's the value of the x approaches. Okay? Gets it ba?
Yes. Parang tama lang rin, katulad ng PJ. Pero dyan, kung ano yung
nag-approach mo.
Kung ano yung given na value na exist.
Okay, gets yan. Gusto mo, bigay pa ako ng isang example. Okay na.
Sige, isa pa.
Isa pa.
Sorry. Pwede na siguro yun.
Hindi naman magbibigay sa example.
Okay na, so sino ba nakakalam ng limit of limit? Ano ba yun? Limit the third part, diba? Sino na alam mo?
So law number 3, the limit of a constant c times a function is equal to c times the limit of a function, provided that the limit of f of x as x approaches a exists. So that's the third law of limits. So let's break down the statement first. So the limit of a constant c, this is this first equation. So the limit of a constant c, this is a multiplication sign, so times f of x, which is the function. So the limit of a constant c times a function, and the second one, c times the limit of a function, provided that c times the limit of a function. So c, this is the multiplication sign again, times the limit of a function, so f of x. They are equal provided that the limit of f of x as x approaches a exists. So long as this exists in the equation, they are both equal. So let's demonstrate that in our own equation. So let's do c equals 4, a equals 2. So that's the equation that I just made here. So because x is approaching 2, we are going to replace the x here with 2, and we're going to get 4 times 2. Let's do this for the second equation as well, but 4 and x, they're not next to each other. It's 4 times the limit of x. But if you want to make this way easier for yourself, you can just disregard the limit sign for a bit. And what do you know? You got 4x. So let's just do the same thing we did for the left equation to the right to the right equation. 4 times 2 equals to 8 and 8. So they are in fact equal. So that's the third limit law. It states that so it doesn't matter where you put the constant c, your c constant, before or after the limit sign, as long as the limit of f of x as x approaches a exists in an equation, they are both equal. So that is the third limit law.
Let's proceed sa law limit number 4. Sa law limit number 4, the limit of the sum of two functions is equal to the sum of the individual limit, provided that the limit of each function as x approaches a exists. So sa limit law number 4, meron tayong two function. So for example, the limit of 3x plus 8 as x approaches a. Yung first function mo dyan is ito. And then ito yung second. So ang gagawin mo dyan is hindi mo kukuhanin ng buo yung limit niya. So i-distribute mo yung limit sa first function and then sa second function. So kapag isusunod mo siya, the limit of 3x as x approaches to, and the limit of 8 as x approaches to. So nakikita niyo ba yun? Na-distribute yung limit sa dalawang function. So kapag substitute mo na, so 3 times 2 plus 8 is equals to times 3 times 8. So ganun yung law limit number 4. Pag hiwalayin mo yung two function and then i-distribute mo yung limit.
So here we have limit law number 5, also known as the multiplication theorem. Here's a step-by-step process on how to solve limit law number 5. For example, the limit of 2x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 as x approaches 1. So first thing, we have to distribute them like this. So the limit of 2x minus 1 as x approaches 1 multiplied by the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches 1. So for the second one, we also have to distribute them. approaches 1 minus the limit of 1 as x approaches 1 multiply by the limit of x as x approaches 1 minus the limit of 2 as x approaches 1. For the third step, just have to take out 2, then the limit of x as x approaches 1 is equals to 1 minus the limit of 1 as x approaches 1 is equals to 1 multiply by the limit of x as x approaches 1 is equals to 1 again minus the limit of 2 as x approaches 1 equals to 2. So for the fourth step, we just have to simplify them. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2 minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1. We have to simplify them again for the fifth step. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by negative 1. And 1 multiplied by negative 1 is equals to negative 1. And there you have it.
So, the limit law number 6 is multiplication. Parang katulad lang din siya ng limit number 4 and 5. Parang multiplication lang po. So, the given here or the equation is the limit of f of x times g of x is equals to f of x as x approaches a times f the limit of g of x as x approaches a. Example. The limit of 3, 4 as 1 as x approaches 3. So, moving the limit of 3. Kasi, hihiwalay mo silang dalawa. So, the limit of 3 as x approaches 3. And the limit of 4x approaches 3. So, yung 3 na bring down lang. Times yung x, i-distribute siya sa x. Dito sa may 4x plus 1. So, magiging 4 times 3 plus 1. So, yun yung 3 4 at 4 times 3 times 3 12 plus 1 13. So, 3 times 13 is equals to 13.
Okay. So, similar lang sila ng 4 and 5, but multiplication. Okay, I get it now.
So, close the limit number 7.
7? Uy, siya ulit!
Ayaw magpatalo
Daming
niya.
So, yun ang corona.
So the limit number 7. We have two functions. The limit f of x as x approaches to c equals to L. Then the limit of g of x as x approaches to c is equals to M. So here we have an equation or the formula that is limit of f of x divided by g of x as x approaches to c is equals to limit of f of x approaches to c is divided by limit of g of x as x approaches to c is equals to L divided by M. tatandaan lang natin dito, kailangan yung g of x and yung denominator is hindi siya mag-equal to 0. Kasi kapag nag-equals to 0 siya, is magiging undefined sa tatlo. So for example, now, the limit of 5x plus 7 over x plus 6 is an x which is negative 3. So, limit of 5x as approaches to 3 over limit of 7 ay 5x plus 7 then x plus 6 plus 4. So, equal natin siya. So, 5x, copy yung 5, then substitute natin yung nag-approach sa x is yung 3. So, plus 7 then over doon sa x, ulit yung 3 plus 6 is equals to 15 plus 7 is 20.
Over
Is 9. Ayun lang yung pinakasagot. Hindi na siya i-simplify.
So in this limit law, it's very simple. All you need to do is i-distribute mo muna yung limit dito sa mismong equation. So ang mangyayari is limit 3x plus 7 square. So after nyan, kung ano yung ina-approach ng x, is yun yung isa-substitute natin dito sa 3x. So equals 3 times 2 plus 7. Saka natin yung nalagay yung square. Equals 6 plus 7 square. So 6 plus 7, 13. 13. Tsaka natin yung ilalagay exponent. Square. So 13 square is equals to 169. So that's the final answer. So ang natin gagawin, distribute yung limit. Tapos isa-substitute natin yung ina-approach ng x dun sa x. Tapos unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis before yung exponent. So ito na yung makukuha natin.
Talaga sagot ko, 200.
So ganyan lang siya kasimple. So who knows the limit law number 9?
Sino pa ba yung hindi nag-ano?
Sino pa ba dito
Sino pa ba yun? Sino pa ba yun?
Ako ba yun?
Okay, ikaw yata.
Oh girl.
Try to explain it to us.
So yung 9th law states that the limit of the nth root of a function is equal to the principal nth root of the limit of that function, provided that that n is a positive integer and that limit of the function is a positive if n is even. So para mas maintindihan natin, magbibigyan ko ng example. So itong example is the cube root of the function of x squared plus 48 as x approaches 4. Para makuha natin yung sagot, kailangan lang natin na ilagay yung limit sa inside the radical sign. So ang mangyayari dyan is 3 tapos limit x squared plus 48. So ganyan mangyayari, magkakaroon siya ng limit tapos lagyan natin x approaches 4. Tapos, yung 4, isa-substitute natin sa x. So, so 4 squared is 16 plus 40. 16 plus 48, 64. It's the 2. 64. So, yun eh, sagot. So, basically, parang sinubstitute lang din natin. Yun lang.
Okay.
Yun na yun.
Ilang din yung lumabas, no?
So ito na yung final answer. 4.
Four.
Okay. Okay, now I get it.
So, nanak ang limit ko.
Oo.
Oo.
Nung function, yun lang yun.
Okay, now I get it. So, Gets nyo na ba?
Makakapag-kiss na tayo!
Ang dami pero ano lang sila, similar lang yung
Halos similar lang talaga silang
Oo.
lahat. Parang
May pagkakaiba lang yung bawat ano.
Puro
Saka
sila
ang
substitute.
Oo, kung ano yung na-approach ng X, yun yung yung sa substitution. Pero yung naiiba ka, yung sa limit.
Ano?
Constant.
Mag-isa ka?
Ano?